Room tour, including my friend Ark. This is my room. Well, first, this is a gorgeous thing. This is my mom's room here. This is my room. This is the castle I made. Okay, room tours. Oh god, okay, I got this. Here's the kitchen, a small kitchen area, dining table, bookshelf, and and then look at these two lovebirds. I can hug her pretty well, but I want to hug her again. Okay, no one needs to worry about this. Yeah, so this is me right here. That's my phone. I don't know who that is. Jesus! And another beautiful, gorgeous view. Last but not least, in my room, because I'm gonna show you all of those. This is where my bedroom is. Half empty, half full. We have here. Look at Tootsie! How cute! Hunter, Coco, and Amethyst Fox, Amethyst. Axolotl. And oops, the jukebox, I broke it. Here's my little area. Sneaky cat, sneaky cat. Anyway, next room. Here's one of my other friends' rooms. It's work in progress at the moment. It's 2 stories. I feel dizzy after me. See everything in here. Nice. Nice. Her room. Oh, it's Armadillo. Boxy. Cookie. Upstairs is very I guess. Oh. Hi, Foxy. Hi, Cookie. This is their area. Hunter's diary. Oh, wait. What? No, that's not Hunter's diary. That's Foxy's diary. This is Cookie's diary. I hate Foxy. Oh gosh! So there's a little conversation between Hunter's diary, cause he sends it. I'll show you it. So this is Hunter's. It's not really a diary. That is Hunter's diary. So this is Coco's IRL plushie, but it's a duck. It's a duck. This is Hunter's IRL. This is my channel. Go subscribe to it.